Oh, I fall in love, if you call it love, almost 5, 10, 20 times a day. But this one sweet guy really caught my eye. On the 6, then the N, then the A. My sober crush, every day on the morning rush. He gets on and I kind of blush, 'cause he's my sober crush. Oh my God, he's really cute. Sitting there in his 3-piece suit, I see him and a dull commute becomes the highlight of my day. And in my southbound fantasy, all I see is him and me forever. Then comes Chambers Street. I really, really hate Chambers Street. He gets off there at Chambers Street. And pop, my dream dies, but still I love my subway crush. Even though he doesn't know that I'm alive. So maybe I should flirt. A little flirting couldn't hurt. Hey, release my inner extrovert. And wear a mini skirt. Maybe then he'll ask me out. We'll have tons to talk about on our twice daily subway route. Fabulous the MTA. Or maybe I'll just say hello. How about them Yankees? Yeah, no, I can't do that. Well, I could, but I'd fall down flat, and it hurts when you go for splat. So I'll keep staring at my beloved subway crush. Will someone tell me why won't he look at me? Is there any reason why the guy won't? He's looking at me. He's looking at me. Who knew Sudoku could be so interesting? I'm such a yes. No ifs, ands, ors, and buts. He gets off and the train door shuts. And I keep moving. But still it's nice to know he saw me. I feel a kind of glow he saw me. I love my subway crush. And there's always tomorrow.